Felix Hendricks made a winning average time of 7:07 at the European Championships. But because Felix is from Australia, this time wasn't counted, and the European champion was Philipp Weyer. Second place went to Masvauk with a difference of almost 20 seconds. And in 2018, Mats became the European champion. It took him 12 years.
There he is! Our winner! Mats!
Finally!
Finally, there we got it. It took 12 years,
Yeah.
and we've got the European title again. Very nice, he deserved this one.
Kept his position at second. Oh, really? Yeah, Philipp came third at the last Euros.
Yep, I said he improved.
Well, it's not worse.
Yeah.
If ever asked who is the hardest working speedcuber in the world, I would say Timon Kolsinski. In 2019, this guy was just starting to show up on the world arenas. And in 2021, he set his first world record of 5:09 in 3x3 average time. And in 2022, he became European champion.
Well, it's not worse.
Yeah, it's not bad.
But he came second in the last Euros. He improved from Worlds, not from Euros. Yeah.
And your winner.
But no one knows what the secret of success is. Often we don't see the hard work that has been done, and when a person wins, you can often hear that he or she was just lucky. So in 2019, Philipp from the Lazy Monkey channel asked Timon how much time he spends on training.
So how much do you cube in a day?
Like, as much as I'm awake minus eating.
Approximately, it's 13 hours. Now, think about it. Could you do the same?